Good morning, everybody. Jeff Kastner here with another video. I just love this song. Kind of my opening theme. I said in my last video, it gets me pumped, gets me excited, gets me motivated. So let me pause this baby. Let me get back to my beautiful face. Kidding. Hello. Thank you again for joining me today, doing another video here. Let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I have been making money online for 22 years. I've been a Forex trader going on my 5th year, and I'm a member of Mastery. We have one of the top teams in the company because we have a strategy that's absolutely rocking and crushing and changing lives. If you like this video, don't like the video, content stinks, content's great, please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down right below on my channel. If you need to subscribe right below here, hit that bell, and you'll get notified on my next video. So today's video is 3 reasons you lost money in the Forex markets, okay? Full disclosure here. So in my particular bigger group, I have a small group, it's a chat, where I give out potential trade ideas during the week. And I try just to keep it at trade ideas. And one of the members lost money this week, okay? So lost money in the Forex markets. And I thought it'd be a good idea is to analyze his trades to give him some direction as to why, right? So in my particular trading group, I called out 3 trades this week. I was 2-1. And last week I called out 5 trades and I was 5-0. And again, not every week is going to be 5-0. Not every week is going to be 2-1. There could be weeks that are 1-2, 1-3. But generally, if you take proper risk management and follow our strategy, you will absolutely profit in this industry with this strategy, where 96% of people fail in the Forex market because of a variety of reasons. Okay, you can have a great strategy, but if you don't have the emotions, you don't have risk management, then you are doomed to fail. Okay, so this particular person lost money in the market this week, and so I thought it'd be a good teaching tool to analyze as to why. Okay, so first of all, his name is Justin, and he's been with the company a couple months. And Justin, don't worry, I'm not showing anything on Facebook. This is just only me and, of course, our group. So I'm going to pull up the first set of trades, okay? Now, I am only analyzing this week's trade, so these first 3 are from the previous week. Now, for those who aren't familiar, it's like, well, why are you covering the lot sizes? Why are you covering the dollar amounts? Well, the reason is pretty simple, guys, okay? Is our company wants to be FTC compliant, and we want to be around a long time. So, and people can take screenshots saying that they made $4 million when maybe they won $40. So we try to be compliant and try to follow the rules, but the gist of it is you can see winning trades, losing trades, etc. And obviously, really experienced Forex traders can kind of get an idea as to what the lot size they use, etc. So anyway, this is just being compliant, and it's really not important for the reasons that I'm going to give you as to why you failed, okay? So let's look at the 28th, which I believe is June 28th. Let me look at my calendar. June 28th is Monday, so the market's open on Sunday. He didn't take any trades. Oops, sorry about that. And on the 28th, 1, 2, 3, 4 potential trades. He took 2 and won 2, okay? The 29th, he took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He took 5 trades. He had 7 set up, but 5 trades. Okay, and on that day, he lost 3 and won 2. Okay? Then on the 30th, he took 2 trades, lost both those trades. And then on the 1st, he took 3 trades and lost 3 trades. So, to summarize, for the week, I'm just going to count the trades actually activated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Any of you that have learned anything about the Forex industry know exactly what I'm going to say. Don't actually it's 3 reasons you lost money. So it will be overtrading. Too many trades taken. Okay? Simple. Simple. There's just too many trades. You shouldn't have to take that many trades. The best traders trade maybe 3 or 5 trades a week. That's it. You can take more. You could take less, right? But if you find the proper setups, right, and you're managing your risk reward, and you have a stop loss in place, and you're moving your stop loss as the trade goes in profit. In fact, our team gives you an exit manager software that manages the trade for you, right? That's all you'll ever need, because our strategy is based on a high reward, low risk, okay? So in this example, Justin, you took way too many trades. I mean, it's not even close, okay? Way too many trades. So that's reason number 1, okay? Now, reason number 2. I'm just going to go to the last day. Oh, here we go. I had it originally up. So you took 3 trades, okay? Now, our strategy, for those that are not familiar, is tied to a harmonic scanner inside IMarketslive, okay? So our strategy is not where we go to this harmonic scanner. This is obviously the desktop version, and just take these trades. No. What we have found with our specific strategy is when a pair gets called out of a particular pattern, as you see over here, that more often than not leads to a setup based on our strategy. Okay, so when you find this pair, you take this pair and you analyze this pair, and then you match it up with the other parameters that we ask you to take or to look at to see if it matches up, right? There's several things, 3 or 4 things that you want to look at. And if you've got confirmations, that's the better word, then take the trade, okay? So I want to do a little experiment, okay? We have also said for new people, fairly new people, you want to work off the 1 hour or the 4 hour scans, okay? And as you get more experience, and you can go to 15 and 30, okay? So let's look for the EUR USD scan that would have come in. Whoops, that's Thunderstruck. We'll go to the 1 hour pair. EUR USD, EUR USD, EUR USD. Nope, nothing recent. 4 hour. EUR USD. Nope. Okay, so that's 0 for 1. I'm looking for the scan first before you even think about taking a trade. USD CAD. Okay? We'll start at the 4 hour. There it is, USD CAD. Okay? So that's 1 and 1. Let's go to this. The last trade that he took, GBP CAD. GBP CAD, nope, on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, GBP CAD, no. Okay, so 1 and 2. Now, I'm going to make assumptions here, right? But at least for this particular part, it's safe to say, okay, and of course Justin, our private chat, can bear with me, is he wasn't following the strategy we teach. Okay? I don't need to look at every other pattern. Okay? There might have been some that he took, there might have been some that he did. Okay? And that leads into the third reason. Emotional trading. Boy, I cannot type with my life depending on it. Emotional trading. Okay? So, on the last day of trading, 2 out of the 3 had no scam. Okay? Now, I don't want to make an assumption that he took all 3 trades without the scan, but it could be the fact that maybe, Justin, you did not even, that was just, what's the word? It just happened to be that there was the pair that you took a trade on did have a scan, okay? But it's probably safe to say that you're not looking at the scans. At least on the last day, 2 out of 3 you did it. Huge mistake. Monster mistake. Now, that could have led into the third reason, emotional trading, right? So you were losing during the week, okay? The previous day, you lost 2 trades. The day before, you won 2, lost 3. That emotional trading snuck in. You lost your last 5 trades, okay? Could be a combination of not following the strategy and not the scans. Definitely on the last day, 2 out of 3. And that led to emotional trading because you were trying to make up for it. No, 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 no. There's a road. Our strategy is in between my 2 hands. You follow the strategy to a T, okay? You went to the left, you went to the right. When you do that, your risk is greater on those trades, right? And that would be on any good strategy, not just ours. Any good strategy. You got to stay on the road. Simple. And emotions probably got the best of you, and that's why you went off the road. Oh, I got to it's break a structure. I got to take this trade, break a structure, okay? And he had told me, and I'm sharing this obviously because it's a learning piece in a private chat. Well, I'm just looking for break a structure. No, you're not just looking for break of structure. There are other parameters that you're looking for, right? It could break structure and come right back. Or break structure and come right back. So those are the 3 reasons Justin failed this week. Okay? This is good for any strategy, not just for our team. Do not overtrade. Follow the strategy that we teach or any other strategy that you're following. You need to follow it. There's a reason it's successful and emotional trading. Period. That's it. Okay? So I hope you got something from this video. Let me go through the parameters again. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, please. Any feedback, I'd be more than welcome. We do offer a 7-day free trial every single Monday. You can jump on board. Just reach me at Jeff Casman Facebook. All the information's in my in the bio underneath the video. And that's pretty much it. Okay? So stick to your trading plan. And again, this goes for any business opportunity, right? If it's any business opportunity, there's a plan in place, right? And that plan leads to success more often than not. When you deviate it, your results will reflect that, okay? All right? It's really, really important because we have members on our team that are absolutely pounding and crushing it because they don't break the pattern. They don't break the structure, right? It's just like when you're getting the scans from our team, okay? It's okay when you're experienced and you're down the road and you can pick up the strategy without the scans. It's perfect. But if you're in your first couple months, first 3 months, where you're up and down in your results, the worst thing you can do is deviate from the strategy. Stick to the strategy, stick to the plan, and you'll be successful. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.